Okay, here. It's on video. That's Mrs. Oliver. Mama Oliver! I can see you! It's like millions of things and rainbows.
Close up.
Whoa. Okay, ready again? Ah, you should try it! You gotta try it!
I'm good.
It'll be funny. It'll be funny.
Try the little ones.
That's my lover. That red pillow right there. That is my lover. It is
Go
soft.
say hi to your lover.
It's soft and squishy. Okay. Wait. He too can see. It's soft and squishy and I love it. I can see you. There's no rainbows in these.
Says your battery's getting low.
It is, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Better save it.
Dismiss it.